Hey, good morning everyone. So today we are doing a quick ride on 15th of August, and also I've got my bike serviced last week. So this is the first service done at 500 plus kilometers. So we'll quickly review whether there is any change in terms of performance of the bike, or any kind of degradation to the performance. However, we do feel that many people who say that after first service they have engine heating issues or brake issues or noise issues. So let's see. So since it's a Sunday, I have decided to take the route from Dwarka, and then we'll go to Gurgaon and then back to Delhi via Delhi Kent. So I'm hoping that I would not get any traffic, and if we could find the clean roads, we could really test on the performance of the bike. Well, there is no change with respect to the past versus current acceleration. I mean, the engine is not that much stressed as compared to the other bikes in the segment. It's still the same, very lessly stressed. That's basically mean that the compression ratios are not that much high, so you're probably not going to feel that difference in terms of the performance. So ultimately, it's a linear performance driven bike with respect to the RPMs, and it's same. That there is no change with respect to the first service. So obviously there is nothing changed in terms of the braking, because nothing has been touched in the service in terms of the braking system. But I do feel that there is a small lag in the power delivery when it comes to the pickup from the first gear to second gear. Just see there that you can still feel that the lag, the ECU cuts off the power very soon, and I don't know what is the reason, but the change is very significant. ये देखो, ये गया मौत का खिलाड़ी। भाई साहब, लोगों को सब्र नहीं है। वीकेंड में ऑफिस जाते लोग। Looks like the guy is very excited to see my bike. Best of luck, people, for your office on weekend, and enjoy. So guys, this is Dwarka Expressway. That looks like the work is being expedited. जल्दी पूरा हो जाना चाहिए. I'm hoping that it will get operational by maybe end of 2022, but we are expecting much earlier. Let's see. हमें भी यहीं से ऑफिस जाना है बॉस. काफ़ी बन गया है, तो देखते हैं. So, guys, finally we are at the NH8 highway. Boss, let me tell you one thing. It's very difficult to get confidence on this bike. That's absolutely not stable, especially on the streets as well, and specifically on the speeds above 130 or 140. रियर टायर तो बिल्कुल ऐसा है कि छोड़ने के लिए लगता है पीछे से. There's no grip, and the major reason is the change of Pirelli with C8. I don't know why Royal Enfield has done this blunder. Pirelli was much better in terms of grips. So those who are thinking of buying this bike or maybe Interceptor 650, they should get their rear tire changed as soon as possible to Pirelli, because this C8 sucks. Another good thing to consider here is the suspension here is too stiff, man. Especially for a cruiser. Usually it is very stiff, but oh my god. See this. Even the small bumps, these are not even bumps, these are just unevenness on the roads, and ऐसे नाच रही है बाइक जैसे ऐसे लग रहा है पता नहीं खड्डों में चला रहे हैं बाइक. गाइस क्विकली बात करते हैं ऑन द फर्स्ट सर्विस कॉस्ट फॉर कॉन्टिनेंटल जीटी. सो ज़्यादा नहीं लगा है पैसा इसमें, ओनली 3000 रुपीज़ फॉर द फर्स्ट सर्विस, एंड मेजर चंक इज़ ऑल्सो द इंजन ऑयल ऑफ कोर्स विच इज़ 10W50 grade, specially made for Royal Enfield engine oil. That have cost somewhere around 2000 rupees, and then once you change the oil, then you have to change the oil filter. That's compulsory, so that is somewhere around 450 rupees, and finally the chain lubrication done with the 250 something odd rupees. So the net total is 2700 rupees, and in that they have added 200 rupees for consumable charges, and I don't know what are those, because इन्होंने लोगों ने कुछ यूज़ नहीं किया बाइक पे apart from washing the bikes. So this 200 rupees is simply their profit basically to run the dealers and servicing centers. So in fact आप भी कभी अगर जाते हो डीलरशिप पे तो just ask those guys to not include any consumables in the bill especially, and if they're using it, just please see those what they are trying to use actually on the bike rather than just putting them on paper to increase your bill. आज रोड क्लियर्स लग रहे हैं काफ़ी और वेदर इज़ ऑल्सो गुड, तो एक हाई स्पीड टेक ले ही लेते हैं. सो let's see how fast we can go after the first service. The wind is quite high. The video will become quite long, so I'll end here and we'll sign off for today. But please leave comments if you like the video. And soon my next video is going to be on quick ride on Hero X Pulse. That will be a rain ride. We'll review how that is capable of doing off-roading and other stuff. And the next video is going to be on Harley Davidson PanAmerica 1250. So that video I'm trying to be putting on the system by first week of September. So stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye.